helping with the development of this area. I bring you warm greetings from Her Excellency, the Vice President, Professor Nana Jane Opoku-Agyeman. We thank you for the kind invitation to be here for this event. Even as we celebrate, I would like us to remember our 8 compatriots whose funeral we held yesterday in Accra. May their souls rest in perfect peace. Distinguished guests, all our festivals bring us together for the good of our communities. But there's something special about the Agortime-Kpetoe Kete festival because of what Kente symbolizes. Before the flag was a symbol of our national identity, Kente served as an expression of our heritage. It then became an emblem of national pride during our independence movement, when leaders wore it to assert cultural sovereignty. Its appeal is now international. Africa diaspora communities embrace it for social and political movements, and fashion houses are inspired by its motifs. Kente, with its diverse and intricate designs, weaves history and politics into a material that is both local and global. I therefore salute the people of Agortime, who are our landlords and hosts as well as the organizers of this festival, for bringing us together to appreciate our values, philosophies, and aesthetics. Mr. Chairman, government is equally committed to protecting and highlighting other avenues for tourism. Only 2 weeks ago, the Ministry for Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Honorable Abla Jifa Gomashi, inaugurated the Ghana Tourism Authority Governing Board. The newly formed board consists of qualified individuals from diverse backgrounds, including different ministries, who have been tasked with overseeing the functions of the Ghana Tourism Authority. They will collaborate with stakeholders across the tourism and creative arts value chain on projects that position Ghana as a competitive tourist destination. The Agortime-Kpetoe Festival, one of our more modern and intentional festivals, shows how this can be achieved. This occasion is a prime example of what we can accomplish when we take the initiative to highlight specific aspects